Assalamu alaikum. How are you boys? Hope so fine. This is the summary video for today lesson for science subject science activity book. Okay, we are solving exercises from activity book, class 5, unit 1, investigating plant growth, lesson 1.1 to 1.4. Hope so you finish 1.5. Activity book page number A to page number 12. And your homework, complete your activity book. Okay, unit 1, complete all unit 1 starting from 1.1 until 1.5. So let's start your activity book. You should have an activity book in front of you. Let's start investigating plant growth. Exercise 1.1, seeds. In this exercise, you will revise what you know about seeds. Yes, you know about seeds. Who is right about the pumpkin? Say why. A pumpkin is a fruit. Okay, you just say it's not a fruit, Maria. Pumpkin is not sweet. It's not a fruit. Pumpkin is not sweet. So what do you think? Who's right? This one or this one? So let's check. Maria, girl one. This one is right. A pumpkin is a fruit because it has seeds. Okay. A pumpkin is a fruit because it has seeds. So the exact answer. If you write it, it's okay. If you not write, so write it on your activity book. Question 2 on the same page. Label the drawing of a maize seed. Okay, starting from here, seed coat. The outer part, outer shell, we say this seed coat, and this one inside, this one we say food store. Okay, inside the seed. So food store here, food store. Then this one we are saying scar. Okay, scar. This one and this one embryo. Starting from embryo and then scar, bring bigger and bigger. Write the job of each part of the seed below its label. Okay, let's start. Use this list to help you. Okay, grow into a new plant. What do you think? Grow into a new plant. Yes, embryo. Grow into a new plant. Embryo. The starting process starting from here. Okay, and then join the seed to the fruit. Scar. This one. Join the seed to the fruit. Scar help to join the seed with the fruit. Protect the seed. You know this. Protect the seed coat, and gives the seed energy to grow. Yes. What gives the energy? Food. So you can write food store. This one lesson 1.1. Now lesson 1.2. Exercise 1.2. How seed. Just a minute. Sorry. How seeds grow. In this exercise, you will think about the stages of seed germination. You know the stages like this, starting from this, then from embryo, it start root, get down, then this one, root starting, then shoot starting, 4, and then 5. So the picture of the stages of seed germination are in the wrong order. So decide what order the pictures should go in and number them 1 to 5. Use the description below to label each stage. So let's start from here. Starting from here. Also right here, 1 and also here. So first of all, seed code split. First of all, the first step, seed code split out. Okay. Then number 2, the first root grow. You can see the first root grow from here. Then the third step, the first should grow. This one, the small one. Okay. The first should grow. And the fourth, the first leaf grow. And at the last, leaves get bigger and seed shrivel. This one you can see here. Now the seed coat, it's spread out, finish. Okay, it's fallen off. Now you can see a new plant. This one, exercise 1.2. Next question on that page. If any stage of germination missing, if so, which stage? No, there is no any kind of stage missing. You can write no. It's okay for you. Exercise 1.3, investigating germination. I start with you from here, investigating germination. In this exercise, you will look at a bar chart. Yes, here. To answer question about seed germination, class 5 investigated germination. They put seeds on them cotton wool into plastic bags. They put the plastic bags where? In different places. On the table, okay, in the drawer, in the freezer, like this, you can see. So we have different question. So let's start. You can see the growth. At freezer, the growth 0. Fridge, freezer, the upper portion, fridge down portion, okay. At fridge, you can see freezer, nothing, 0, because it's freeze, it's cold here, okay. It's changing to snow, or you can say ice. Now you have different question. Where did the most seed germinated? Also you can see the third option, also available answer here, okay. Where did the most seeds germinated? So what do you think? In the drawer and on the top of the desk. Also you can see here, in the drawer as on the top of the desk. These two places most seed germinated. Where did the fewest seeds germinated? Which place fewest seed germinated? And germinated in the freezer. Fewest, or you can say 0, okay? Because ice, okay, it's changed into ice. Because of so cold, very cold, seed cannot germinate, okay? So where did the fewest seed germinated? In the freezer. Suggest a reason why the same number of seeds germinated in the drawer as on the top of the desk. And why for both places the seed germinated? Because they get their requirement. The seeds in both places had enough warmth. Okay, the first requirement, air and water, and all the things required for a seed germination available for on the table and in the drawer. A drawer not we not take out the air. If you take out the air, seed never germinate. The seeds had all the factors they needed for germination. So that's why seed germinated on both places easily. Question number 4. What do the results tell you about the conditions that seeds need to germinate? Easy. What's the condition? Seeds don't need light for germination. In lesson 1.3 we observe, okay, we observe what? Seed no need any light for germination. But they need what? Moisture, water, warm place, and air for germination. Predict what would happen to the number of seeds that germinated in the drawer if you suck all the air. If you put, I told you in question number 3, if you take out all the air, then from the plastic bag that they are in. So what happened? If you take out the air, it's not germinated. No seed would germinated. No seed would germinated in the drawer. Sorry, I told you, if no air, seed cannot germinate. So if you suck out all the air from the bag, which one in the drawer, so no need would germinate. Exercise 1.4, what plant need to grow? You know this, you can see these 3 plants. Okay, Lulu's tomato plants are not growing well and the leaves are yellow. Suggest 2 things that she can do to help her tomato plants to grow best. You know which 2 things very important. Yes, she can water them, water and sunlight. More important thing for if you want to make them healthy. So she put water and she can put them in the sunny place. Okay. Second part, Lulu noticed that many plants in her garden grow better in summer than in winter. Suggest a reason for this. grow better in summer, because of sun. Plants need warmth to grow. It is warmer in summer. In summer it's warmer, and in cold season it's winter. Cold season, winter, and cold. So the plant grow better in which season? In summer. Fill in the fill in the labels on the drawing to show the factor that Lulu's plant need to grow. Yes, we know light, air, water and air, light and warm place. Okay, everyone. Like this, we finish from your work activity book, 1.1 to 1.4, and 1.5 yesterday we finish also. So complete your learner book and also your activity book 1.1 to 1.5. Okay, everyone. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.